You can expect a lot from the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.